Hola mis amigos, welcome to this calming space where we'll unlock the beauty of Spanish, one soothing step at a time. Did you know that the days of the week in Spanish hold a connection to ancient history, with names inspired by celestial bodies? Tonight, as you relax, we'll explore these days together. By the end of this session, you'll not only know them by heart, but also feel their rhythm on your tongue, like a gentle melody. Shall we begin? Close your eyes if you like, and let's drift into this tranquil learning journey. In Spanish, the days of the week are called los días de la semana. Unlike English, they don't start with a capital letter. Lunes, for example, is just as soft as the sound of its name. Let's start with lunes. Can you say it with me? Lunes. Lunes means Monday, the beginning of a new week, a fresh start. Repeat after me. Lunes. Next we have martes. Say it softly now. Martes. That's Tuesday. It's named after Mars, the planet of energy and action. Now let's glide into miércoles. It's a little longer, but listen to its rhythm. Miércoles. Wednesday. Slowly now. Miércoles. Perfect. Moving on, we arrive at jueves, Thursday. Softly now. Jueves. It's named after Jupiter, the largest planet, full of wisdom and strength. Say it again. Jueves. Then comes viernes, Friday. Viernes, the day of Venus. It carries a sense of beauty and love. Whisper it after me. Viernes. Sábado is Saturday. So simple and smooth. Sábado. Feel the weight lift off your shoulders as you say it. Sábado. This day is named after Saturn. And finally, we end with Domingo, Sunday. A day of rest, reflection, and sunshine. Domingo. Whispers, carry it gently. Domingo. You've done so well. Now take a deep breath. Let these words settle into your mind. Try saying them all again at your own pace. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. You can pause this video anytime to practice or come back later to revisit these peaceful moments. Spanish, like life, is a journey. There's no need to rush. Before we part, remember this: each day of the week brings its own energy, its own story. Keep these names close to your heart and let them guide you as you explore more of this beautiful language. For now, rest easy and let your curiosity grow. Buenas noches y hasta pronto, mis amigos.